Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel. We got all the latest and craziest content from the roads all around the world right here. From close calls to road rage and many more. All the clips featured in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll learn something out of all the mistakes you're about to see. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. In our first video, we have a reckless driver who indicated to make a turn to the parking lot, but he continued to go straight ahead.
Never trust your signal.
Camera caught a bunch of bikers and quad riders on his camera riding around without protective gear. As if that was not bad enough, these guys were switching in and out of lanes and they were squeezing in between other vehicles.
What is that? What the f is that?
Camera caught some really bad moves pulled by reckless drivers in traffic. People don't respect traffic signs, traffic lights, and it all looks like one huge mess out there. People, please pay close attention and spot everything that's wrong here. Of course, we strongly urge you to avoid making the same mistakes as these drivers. Pay close attention at the semi-truck driver in front of the camera. He slowed down to make a right turn, but he forgot to use his turn signals. Always make sure you ease up on the gas whenever you enter a sharp turn. You can never know who or what is on the other side of the corner, and one small mistake can lead to a head-on collision. This crazy semi-truck driver decided to pass two semis over a double solid yellow line and he nearly hit two bikers who were riding in the oncoming lane. This is definitely the craziest move so far.
Spilled out all over the place.
Take
From
the
his
exit
new angle, Reacher
on the
could see
right
Red Rail
to US 71.
was folded into a C shape, fitted to compress. Otherwise, a healthy individual. Tall, hard, and solid. But dead. Pity. Reacher hooked his left forefinger under the knot. Nature's fusion reactors.
It's using light elements, hydrogen in the case of the announcement, to form helium, and it releases energy.
If you ever played around with magnets, you know that the maybe the north side. And I think you're not processing. You're right. I should give everyone else Raycon. It's perfect. They're a great gift. And you know, I'm not telling you how or what to feel, but just you might want to start.
Cammer caught one driver speeding on his dashcam, but he's not the only one who caught him. A police officer noticed him as well and he immediately turned his lights on and delivered some good old instant karma. With this clip we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something as well. Make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel a lot. While you're there, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Thank you for all your support and we will be seeing each other soon in the next one.